how to import packages, and we're going to do a simple hello world program to make sure you guys' Java is working. Okay, so first we're going to install the IntelliJ software. This is going to be our editor where we do all our coding. So what you guys are going to do first is type in Java JDK download in your search bar. Also, does everyone here have a Windows computer? And nobody should be doing this off of a Chromebook because otherwise it won't work. Okay. I'm assuming that's a yes. So as I said, you're going to type this in your search bar, and you're going to click the first link that appears. So it should say Java SE download, Oracle technology. Yeah, just click this. Then you're going to be brought to this page, right? There's a lot of different stuff on here, but what you're going to focus on is the Oracle JDKs, and you're going to click JDK download. Is everyone with me so far? Like, you can type it into chat or say something, because I need to know where you guys are with this so that I'm not moving too quickly. Do we download Java SE 16? I don't.
Yeah, because when I searched it up, it just brought me to somewhere. It says Java Platform Standard Edition, something like that.
How about you go and share your screen so I can see? Because I'll tell you what to do from there. It might have changed because it's been a while since I took the screenshots.
So this is what I have.
You know where the teach box is?
So this is what I have. I just have, it says Java Platform Standard Edition.
Wait, can you scroll down?
Yeah.
Oracle, yeah, you can click download for the Oracle JDK.
Okay, thank you.
You're welcome. Does anyone else have an issue? Sanvi, are you good? Because you said in the chat, I can't see the now. Okay, can you share as well? Share your screen. Yeah, you can click the first link, that should be fine. Yeah, okay, so this took you a step ahead. You can stay on this page. You're gonna click, okay, go down. And you see where it says, oh, actually, I think you're on the wrong page. This is based on Linux. You can go back, just go back to the search.
Yeah, that's the same first link I got.
That's strange. Here, let me try it myself.
Okay, so I think I can fix this for you. Can you click on the first link, the one where it says Java downloads? Yeah. And then scroll down. So we're a little bit up where it says you have like 3 tabs. Switch it from Linux to Windows.
Yeah, that works.
Near the bottom, like yeah, that's not Mac, Windows, yeah.
Okay, perfect. You can stop sharing your screen. Okay. So, and then you should see something like a Windows 64-bit installer. And what you're going to do is click on the download for that. Don't click on the compressed file. You don't want the Linux or Mac. So just click the Windows one. Does everyone see that option?
It may say just something like x64 installer, but it's the same thing because now it's on the Windows tab.
Yeah. So you just click this and your download should begin. Ayushi, are you with us right now? Or do you need to be caught up? Because I think you joined in the middle. Okay, I guess we'll move on then. So did everyone click this? I just need to know that you did so that like later on we don't encounter issues. Okay, so I'm pretty sure everyone got that. Next, you may be brought to this page and you're just gonna accept and download it. So let's see if it brings you to that. Let's see, installer. It looks like it didn't actually. I'm gonna cancel it because I already have it. But okay, so once you've downloaded that, it's gonna this is gonna appear in your bottom left Windows bar. And it might take a while depending on your internet connection, but it shouldn't take more than a couple minutes. From there, for anyone that's done, what you're going to do is click on the arrow over here, and you're going to click open.
I clicked on it and it took me to it says welcome to the installation wizard.
Is it this? Like, did it bring you to something like?
No, not there. Yeah, I'm here.
Oh, so did you click the yes?
Yes.
Yeah, okay, perfect. So then it didn't bring you. The installation may have changed, but it should kind of be the same thing.
Okay, got it.
Can you share your screen? I just want to make sure that it's the correct one.
Yeah, sure. Oh, it says I can't screen share when someone else is.
Oh, sorry.
So I'm
Okay,
here right now.
that's perfect. You can just click next
Next.
in the bottom. Yeah.
Okay.
And then you can, yeah, it's pretty much the same thing here. So you're gonna click next over here. It's gonna install it on your computer, and you're just gonna wait for this bar to.
Okay.
Somebody else said something. Is everyone good until here? Okay, that's perfect. So then you're going to click on close when this is done. That should be pretty simple. And then what you're going to do, now we're going to install our editor. So now we have Java downloaded. So now we're going to install our editor. So we're going to be using IntelliJ because it's a really simple and free editor that you can use. So you're just going to type in your search bar, IntelliJ download. It should be the first link. It should say www.jetbrains.com. I'll go through it myself. So you should be on a page that's similar to mine right now. This cookies thing is going to appear. You're just going to click yes, I agree. And what you're going to do is download the community edition.
So just for some of you who are wondering, the main reason why we're not doing Ultimate is because that one is paid and the community one is free, and it's essentially the same thing, and we can use it for this course.
Yep. So you're going to download it. Then you'd be brought to, once you've accepted the cookies, downloaded it, you're going to be brought to here again. This is a bit of a larger file, so it might take you a while. We'll just give everyone like until 11:21 or 22 to get this downloaded, because this did take a while for me to download. If it's not done by then, you can just tell us and we'll just wait. Hansuja, are you good? Do you need help? Like, where are you right now? Like, are you with us? Like, can you give me a thumbs up? Or okay, perfect. Ayushi, are you good? Okay. Just gonna wait for a few more seconds. Okay, so where is everyone with their installation? Is it like, is it done? Is it almost done? Halfway? Is anybody? Okay, Sid, you can take the installation from here.
Okay, so so just everyone is done downloading the file now, right? Just write in chat or give me a thumbs down if you're not done. Okay, I'm gonna assume everyone is done. So now on the bottom left of your let me share my screen so you can see it. So you can see my screen, right?
Yeah.
Okay. So now on the bottom left of your screen, you should have a kind of like similar to Java 1, a little file that looks like this. You want to click open with the arrow or double click on it. Either way works. So you can click on that. And now you should be brought up to a screen that kind of looks like this. Maybe a little bit different because keep in mind we did take these screenshots a long time ago, but it should look something similar like this where it says the setup process. So can everyone see that? Uh, okay. So if we're all on the screen, we're gonna click next on the bottom here. And it's gonna tell you a place where it asks you choose the install location. So all of us probably want to install it to our computer because then we can always access it through there. But in the case you don't want to do this, like you want to put it on a hard drive, you want to click browse and change the location. But it's much more easier to have it saved to your computer. So that's what we advise. But if you want to change the location, you can always click browse and change. So I'll give you a second to figure out what you want to do, and then you can click next.
Most of you, I'm assuming, don't have like any hard drive or flash drive connected. So just don't click on browse because it'll bring you to a bunch of
Yeah.
files and it might confuse you.
Yeah, I think I saw a hand raised from someone. I think Sanvi, did you have a question?
No.
Oh, okay. So you're just gonna click next when it tells you to install a location, and you're gonna be brought up to a screen that kind of looks like this, where it'll have a bunch of options for you what to pick and what not. So what you're gonna do, the very first thing, it's gonna ask you the desktop shortcut. So it's gonna ask you, do you want the 32-bit launcher or 64-bit launcher? So this is really dependent on your computer. So we chose a 64-bit launcher, but based on the computer you have, you're gonna choose that option, and I'll tell you how to where you can find um what kind of machine you have. So what we can do is you're gonna click on this search bar on the bottom left of your screen, I believe, or on the middle, depending on what version you're using, and you're gonna search up processor. So
It might have changed, but like if you update it to Windows 11,
yeah,
would say, can you stop share?
I have a
yeah,
question. So where it says create desktop shortcut, it just says IntelliJ IDEA Community Edition. It doesn't
Yeah,
give me
that's fine.
32-bit first. Okay.
yeah. It probably changed a little bit. Yeah. Can you share your screen? As
Um,
okay.
So if Sanvi, I'll get right back to you. So just in case you don't know what kind of system you have, you'll go to your Windows search thing. You're gonna type in. You can type in like processor or RAM, anything like that, and it'll bring you to the same thing. It'll tell you your stuff here. The only thing you're gonna look at is the system type. If it's a 32-bit, you're gonna select 32, and if it's a 64, you're gonna do 64. Most of you, I'm pretty sure, have 64. 32 isn't really used that much.
Yeah.
Okay, Sid, you can continue.
Okay. So Sanvi, yours. I think you said yours closed. Do you mean like your installation process closed, or just um like if you could explain a little bit like oh okay so you can just read it's downloading okay just wait for it a bit to download and then you can open it up. Did you close it or did it just close by itself? Um, okay. I'll give you a second to download it. But like Ornov said, most of you do have a 64 bit machine. So you're gonna click on that if there's an option like that. And then you also want to click on add open folder as a project. So you should have an option there. And then where it tells you to create association, you don't need to click anything here. And the last thing you want to click is where it says update path variable. You want to check off where it says add launcher dir to the path. So these are mostly all the things that you want to check off. And then once you do those, you can click on next. Okay. So from here, it's going to ask you where the choose start menu folder, and it should automatically have JetBrains. So you don't want to change anything, just keep it as JetBrains, and then you want to click install over here.
Wait 1 second. Suja has a question.
Oh, my bad, I didn't see it. Sorry. Could you, press, if you can share your screen so we can see. Oh, okay, yeah. So this is the Java JDK download, I believe. So oh, and you also have, yeah, that's in IntelliJ download.
First, install the Java. So go to the Java thing that you. Yeah. Click next steps. Oh, actually, no, you don't have to click close. My fault. Click close. You're done with Java, actually. So then you're just gonna go to IntelliJ. Yeah. And you're gonna click next. Click next.
Yeah.
Please check the shortcut.
Put a check mark next to add open folder as project. Like, yeah. And then,
That's all you.
yeah. And then you can click next. And then click install. You don't need to change anything here. Yeah, okay. Now you just need to wait for a bit for it to download. You're welcome. Could you, yeah. So I'll give you a second for it to download. So just give me you're ready in the chat once, so I can move on to the next step. So I'll wait for a couple more seconds and then we can move on to the next step. Okay, so is anyone not done downloading the IntelliJ software? It's still okay. Yeah. Tell me when you guys are done. Okay. Sanvi, just tell me when you're done so we can go into the next step. Oh, okay.
By the way, guys, the meeting is going to end in like 2 minutes. So what you're gonna do is as soon as it ends, just rejoin with the same link. It just gives us a 40-minute limit.
Yeah. Okay, so everyone is done, right?
Yeah, it looks like Sanvi and Abhimam are done. And Suja, last time we checked, it was still installing. Ayushi, are you good so far?
Okay.
Okay,
So
I
I
think everyone is on the same page.
so are now that you're done with the loading bar, is everyone
Yes,
on this screen where
Finish.
yeah, click finish. So once you click finish or next, can everyone see the screen where it tells you to reboot your computer? Keep in mind, don't click anything yet because I just want to no, okay. Can you share your screen to what you
Does it not
see?
make you reboot now?
Does it say anything like you're done already or? Oh, okay. So just put a
click-
check mark where it's, yeah. And then continue, yeah. I'd click don't send where it says data sharing. So are you on, once you did that, are you on a screen that kind of looks like this now? They may have changed the process a bit. So does it say does it just automatically tell you you're done with everything and you can just move on?
As the meeting is just about to end, it just